How to insert images side by side in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, I'm going to show you the best way. I'm going to show you the two way that you can use as per your requirements. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment this video. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So I just open blank page here. So what you first way, you just insert the, you simply insert, keep the cursor where you want to image and go to the insert image and upload image from computer, or simply copy paste image on the page, or you can also search the images from web. So I just search one images here. So I take these two images and insert, then you can see it is inserted two images here. The size is, you can change the size. You have to just click the click and hold that corner dot only. Don't use this or dot. Okay, use this corner dot, and you can decrease or increase the size, same as the second image. Now just select the image and use this option, wrap text. Same, select another option, image, and use this option, wrap text. Now what is done, it is enable you to move your image anywhere. So move your image side by side, as you can see. So it is moved now. You can simply change the space between. Okay, so it is done now. Okay, after you're done, if you want to write continue on below, just click on between the image and write something, and now just click the start of this text and just hit the enter, then it will become the bottom automatically. Now you can continue your text like this. Okay, so second way I will show you. First let me copy this image and delete all. The second way you can use is drawing option. Okay, go to the drawing, go to the new, and you can upload the images from here. Go to the browse, you can upload your computer, or you can also search for images, Google Images. So I already copy one image here, so I just copy paste the two image. Now you have to manage your images as per your requirement. You can see, you can manage the size. Okay, you can see the red line has come, means your both images in same line, and upper and bottom also you can see the line. Okay, after you done all, just go to the save and close. The image has been inserted. Now it is like group image, but you can see the two images side by side. Now you can use this option, wrap text, and you can increase decrease size of this two image, and you can also move these images both grouply. Okay, and you can simply continue write your text. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.